Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI MatePad 11, and today I will show you how to put this device into recovery mode. So to get started, you will want to hold the power key, and from here select power off. Once the device turns off, I'm gonna put my hand over here just so the camera keeps focus on the device instead of the little bar that is right here. So anyway, once the device is off, you want to hold the power key right here and volume up. So additionally, I'm gonna kind of move the hand off the screen because I don't know if that will have some kind of effect on it. So anyway, power key, volume up, hold both of those keys at the same time. And once you see the HUAWEI logo, you can let go of them and simply wait for the device to boot into, well, recovery mode. And there we go. So as you can see, it doesn't look like much, just tells us Harmony OS. And in here we have several options. So we have reset, or not reset, but restart, which takes us back to Harmony OS. We have clear data, which consists of factory reset and wipe cache. Then we have update mode and safe boot mode. So as you can see, whatever you want to accept, you simply tap on it. And because I want to leave this, I'm gonna stick with reset or restart. So this will take me back to the operating system. And as you can see, we're now back in Harmony OS. So that is how you would boot in and out of the recovery mode. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.